There's hundreds of us out there riding the Skidoo Sidekick that have become better riders, rode more technical terrain because of the power and the rideability out of the Sidekick. And then there's some of us that want more, and now we can do that with the updated Sidekick. I'm Roesler, and this is why I choose BoonDocker. We're going to talk about it right now. So some of the things that we really love about BoonDocker is their options. And so even with the updated Sidekick, there's lots of options. You can go full-on actuator and intercooler, which is about a $3,000 upgrade. Or you can do the other option, which is just a fuel controller box and bigger injectors, which is about a $1,000 option. So with the controller box, you have two options. You can either do an adjustable or a non-adjustable. One of the other mods that comes with the updated kit is they took and removed the stock air intake, removed the old charge tube, and have a solid aluminum charge tube. With that, you lose between 7 and 14 pounds out of your hood, and obviously gaining some direct airflow into the turbo. With the intercooler option, it's a standalone system, self-contained, meaning that should you damage any part of the system, all you have to do is unplug the pump and you're good to go for the rest of the day. So with more power, we need different clutching, and BoonDocker has developed all their own clutching now. They have different weights and different helixes that they're running with this high boost kit, and it's working really well. So why do we want big boost? It's all about the horsepower, and we're gaining about 70 to 100 horsepower with the high boost kit. With the full package, you get the different actuator, and the actuator allows you to gain your full 10 pounds of boost. So with the high boost, I really didn't know what to expect, but I'm pleasantly surprised at how rideable this sled is. It does everything you want it to do. If you want to do bow ties and re-entries and crazy wheelies up hills, it'll do that. Now if you want to take a nice controlled line across the super steep side hill, it's really easy to control as well. The bottom end is right there and just really manageable. So my favorite thing about the Sidekick is how linear the power is, and because it comes on so early, there's little to no turbo lag. So that's what's allowing it to be so linear, so smooth. You're not having that big hit when it spools, and it just makes it so rider friendly. That's what I love about the Sidekick. So if you're looking for more information, feel free to hit me up on all my social media pages. This kit's on sale right now, so get to BoonDockers and get yours purchased today.